We've got Cayman from S&B in the house today, guys. Thank you so much for coming out, Cayman. Today, guys, we are talking about their body mounts from S&B for light-duty diesels. Cayman, tell me about these things.
So S&B Silicone Body Mounts replaced the factory failure-prone urethane foam or rubber body mounts. Over time, the foam just basically falls apart and the rubber just collapses on itself, so your body lines become uneven. You almost start to just ride metal on metal and hear a bunch of clunky noises. So these body mounts, they're made out of a silicone rubber. They're super resistant to ozone, to weather, and then they offer great vibration isolation. So the whole goal is to basically last the lifetime, but also have the same vibration isolation the truck did from the factory. So it was really a challenge to make a premium silicone, which is usually not used for this application, last a lifetime and have those same qualities that the urethane foam did.
And you guys, I mean, this kit particularly is for OBS, but they sell them for multiple year makes and models. These trucks are getting old, guys, and these body mounts are just totally roasted. I mean, you guys have tons of videos where you show the original factory ones, and they're basically not even existent anymore. But you guys need to get a set of these body mounts for your light-duty diesel. It's going to make a world of difference for the way your truck rides. If you guys are looking for a kit like this, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. Cayman, thanks for coming out.
Thank you.